It's September 2021, and we've got 5 undiscovered ClickBank offers that you need to be promoting right now to get a jump on the competition.
Yes, jump them.
Let's go.
Get them.
Before we dive in, I just want to highlight, well, one thing, but 2 things real quick. Michael and I were just chatting before this, and we realized that last month for August trending offers,
Yes.
2 of those of the 5 were on September's top offers.
Yes, they
right?
were. Yeah, they leapfrogged. They went into the top. So if you want to know what is going to hit before, promote these, test them, try them.
Well, let's go into number 5. Michael, do you want to take that away?
Yeah, let's do this. So number 5 is Master Lee's Universal Cheat Codes. So hack the universe and manifest anything you desire with the Universal Cheat Codes. Warning, use with caution. They actually have that.
I love that.
That's great.
Yeah.
So they have here with the VSL right here, and then I click right in, unlock the Universal Cheat Codes. Go right in. You're asking for first name, email address, and then your Universal Cheat Codes will be sent to that email. What is great for affiliates on this is how it's converting. So this is a new
spirituality.
Yeah, spirituality.
Yeah.
We say woo all the time.
Yeah,
It's like the entire space. Conversion rate, it is at almost a 1%. I would say because it's very early in tracking. A lot of the trending offers are very early in our data sets. So the small sample size with these, but if you are early on the small sample size and you see it test really well, then you can take that and you're in that offer and promoting it before everyone else. So seeing initial EPC about 11 cents, 12 cents on that for the spirituality niche. That's really good considering the AOV and APV. AOV normally for spirituality offers is going to be on the lower side, so below $50, so $23 for this one. The average commission that you're getting out of it, $13, and refund rate and chargeback rate on spirituality offers are insanely low, always. The best ones anyway. And
so it's a bold claim, but
yeah,
probably
I should
pretty
say
accurate.
always, but the best ones are the ones that we tout. And so 75% commission. It's starting out. It's trending well early in commission, early in testing. Commissions are testing well. I would like to see that EPC higher, but for those who are familiar with this niche, they're probably looking at that being like, Yahtzee, let's go. So definitely one to put in your pocket, and great for learning your traffic and your people. And
yeah, no, that's a fun niche, right? And what if you're not familiar with it and you're a media buyer or something, it could actually be a good one to test because you don't really run into as many account issues and different traffic sources, things like that. They're usually very compliant.
They're really great at keeping your list compliant. They're great at keeping your ad accounts compliant. They're great, and learning your customer. That's like we can do an entire video on that, but
maybe we should.
We should.
Yeah, someday.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, before that video, we're going to cover 4 more trending offers here.
Let's go.
So let's check out this 4th one. This is Visium. This is a new vision supplement from a very proven team, if I know this type of lander before. And you'll see Visium Plus. You'll scroll on down. Single bottle, $69, up to 6 bottle. For $294. We've probably used to that pricing. If you've watched these types of videos before, it's a common one out there. And it gets some pretty solid things at the gate. Here is their affiliate lander. If you click over to that, don't forget that you can find that on the link in the description below to our blog page, which will feature all the top offers, trending offers, historical ones from months and ages ago.
Yeah, promote those past ones because we just had another offer that was a top one at the beginning of the year, dropped off, back up there.
And then with Visium here, you can click to apply from their page there, which you can find in the link in the description below, and you can get going. 65% starting commission here. You've got a conversion rate of a 1.67%, which is great for one of these trending offers at the gate, which is probably still testing. So
still testing, but that's testing well.
EPC to affiliates over $1 when it's all said and done. Average, is this right? $306 average order value?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's testing well.
Average payout in the $155 range. Too soon to tell with refunds and stuff, but it's, jump on this one.
We've seen these health supplement offers going, I'd say 2 different ways. Either they are really, really hyper-focused on that conversion rate. Others are very hyper-focused on raising that AOV through a higher price point. And Yeah, we're seeing a few with that higher price
It seems
point.
like the higher price wins, right?
It's
when you
winning.
can keep a conversion rate over 1% and get a AOV and payouts in the $150 plus range, like
Yeah.
why not?
Yeah, the margin is definitely there, and that means you as an affiliate are going to get paid out more. So going into the next one, we are going to go into Get ReIgnite. They start out with VSL. It is a health supplement. You'll see it's a 100% natural health blend. We are right here on their affiliate tools page here, and they're advertising to claim your share of the $72 billion weight loss industry with ReIgnite, the hottest offer to hit ClickBank in years.
Bold claim.
Bold claim. We shall see ReIgnite. I'd love for it to be right. They have on their affiliate tools page, you can get your, access to the affiliate resources. You do need to apply for them for that to access those, to get a good feel of how they're wanting you to promote, and the requirements of how you do need to promote. They have a collection of banner ads, advertorials, custom landers, Facebook ads, email sequence, a whole bit. So a really great affiliate tools page and really helping you know how to promote their offer. But you're not here just for what they offer you, but if they are worth offering. And here's why you should definitely promote them. Starting out at 75% commission, almost a 1% conversion rate. They're at 0.88%. And with this, they are rocking a higher AOV of 190. It's crazy. Like a few months ago, I'd be like, that's a way high AOV. And you just put out one at 310. And on our top offers, we had one that was the same. And an APV, an average payout of 114, which is just great out of the gate. And then we're seeing a refund rate about 5%. So that's what we expect to see out of that niche. So I would say this is definitely worth putting into your testing, seeing how it works, and they definitely have the affiliate resources to be able to get you up and going. It definitely has the traction. I'd like to see the conversion rate, but definitely is promising.
No, I love that. Yeah, and that's funny too, right? Because it's like, I think the gut check would be like, oh, I'm just going to go promote the one with the bigger AOV and the bigger payout and stuff, and really should test all of these if it's in a related niche to you, because one might convert better for your traffic source or for the campaign.
And here's the thing too. We say this all the time. I've told people at different conferences, affiliates that I work with on a daily basis. If your testing is working, trust your numbers. Like test these offers, because what other people are getting, and if you get something different, and
AOVs can change across traffic source, right?
Yeah, they may have optimized on that date. You may just have the traffic source dialed in better, and test all of these offers so you can make sure that it's working for you, and don't just follow where the crowd is going.
Exactly. And this leads us to number 3 trending offer for September. And I was stoked to see this one. This is TressAnew. I've been working with the owner of this one for a while now. He's been working hard on this. He's got some
grinding.
Yeah, he's got a great copywriter on board for it.
Yes.
It's a long form style landing page. And what it is, if you can't tell, it's a hair supplement, right? Kind of targeted towards women. TressAnew, it's a great branded product as well. So, and I won't make you scroll through this whole page. It is quite a long form sales page. So I'll cut to the cooked chicken in the oven here and go down to their offer, right? Which is a less than a cost of a cup of plain black coffee per day. Supercharge your hair growth.
Great.
$49 single bottle up to, that's a $33 per bottle on the 6-bottle option. And it is, it's got a great team behind it. And then you move into the affiliate resources. Again, really good branding throughout the whole thing. This guy, he was in the supplement space in retail and e-com for years and years and years.
He knows the space really, really well.
He does. So you can really get good support, well networked, and then of course always check out the affiliate terms before you come promote. For some stats on TressAnew, this is seeing a average commission starting at 30%, which might sound low, but I do know he likes to bump people up if you apply through that affiliate tools page.
Yep.
Conversion rate right around 1%, so that's good out the gate. And then EPCs in that kind of 80 cent to $1 range. AOV $186, average payout value 97. So if you can do math, that's well higher than 30%, right?
That's really great.
Yeah. So you can probably get a higher percentage, right, depending on your traffic source and just applying and chatting with him. He's pretty careful about the brand and who promotes it, but that means you're getting a targeted, vetted offer that you can kind of scale with this. So.
And when you see, for those who are watching, you look at the ClickBank marketplace and you're like, oh, well, they only start out at 30%. Reach out to them. usually that 30% because they're on a lot of different
True.
places that they are promoting, and they are allowing affiliates to promote.
Yeah, it might set the floor low for any Joe Schmo general affiliate. You might want to promote it, but they probably work with a much higher percentage for most people.
Right,
Yep.
and it's so important to reach out, find out what they're able to do, and a lot of vendors out there really want to have a good relationship with their affiliates, and so that's all about reaching out, making that good relationship, getting that better payout.
I'm sorry, that was number 2. That
was
not
number
3.
2.
I misquoted there. Number
2.
Yeah. So this is number 1.
Number 1. So we're going into Master Lee is back with his tarot reading. So Master Lee,
bookending Master Lee. 5.
Yeah, Master Lee. Yeah, Master Lee is one and the same, alpha and omega, the beginning and the end. So it starts out with this page, choose 2 cards. We'll just do that right here with everybody. We'll just choose 2. Great hook to get you right in, and your cards have been revealed. Oh, Judgment and Death. That is.
I think I know whose offer this is.
That's not how I wanted to end this call.
Oh, I got Tower and Death.
You got Tower and Death?
I'm gonna start. But it's a fun funnel, right? This is what I love about the tarot funnels. Is they're fun. They get you looped in. They get you driving through.
Oh, what does this mean? What is this? Well, I actually really do want to know what this means.
I know. Consider that whole funnel.
Yeah, I'm already hooked. So with that, this offer is doing really well out of the gate. Both of these are. Out of these 2, these have both been released in the last, I'd say, 90 days and are doing well in that. So both Master Lee products. Average commission is 75%. You're seeing a conversion rate above 1%. Initial and EPC is at 14 cents. AOV $21. You're seeing APV about 13, and for astrology offers, you'll see higher conversions among list traffic. That's organic list traffic. That's where people are really using these. But the other way other paid media is using these is early entry into the funnel. Like, oh, I can build my list through these because I'm able to learn a lot from them because, tarot cards or astrology offers, are leading in with, have you been in a breakup? Who are you? What, like.
Almost like a quiz funnel.
Yeah, almost like a quiz funnel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are the first quiz funnels, to be honest, out there. And so they're great at being able to segment your audience and learn more about them. So with this, definitely, if you are in the astrology niche, these Master Lee products, definitely start putting them in there and getting them going. And then if you are in the paid media space and you're like, I've never really delved into that, they're a great lead generating and getting to know your audience type of product. So definitely start to dabble into that and really learn about it. And yeah, they're awesome. And so I'm definitely gonna find out more about Judgment and Death.
You show up next week.
Next.
Desk,
so yeah. If you don't see me next week.
I love it. Well, this has been the top 5 trending offers, Undiscovered, all that kind of good stuff on ClickBank for September. Do let us know in the comments below which ones you're excited to try, which ones you've tried before and have success with. Give us a like, a subscribe.
If you want an affiliated T-shirt.
Are we doing that? Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Like, people love the T-shirts.
They're great. Yeah. And so thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for supporting these offers that come out. Like we said, 2 from the last video are in the top offers for this month now. So we see these take off pretty well. This is a good vetted list that Michael pulls for you to test and kind of get the first crack at. So happy testing and happy scaling.
See you later, y'all. Peace.